Understanding refunds. In this video, we learn all about how refunds work with PhonePe payment gateway from initiating to tracking the refund. You can initiate refunds only if you have the admin, finance manager or manager access. First, log into your PhonePe Business dashboard, click Transactions from the side panel and go to the Transaction History tab. Then, click the transaction you wish to refund. On the Transaction Details page, click Refund. Next, enter the refund amount and the reason for the refund. If you want to refund the full amount, check the Refund Complete Amount box. Once ready, click Pay Refund to initiate the refund. You'll receive a confirmation message after the refund is initiated. The amount will be deducted from your next settlement. However, it is important to note that your refund will fail if the amount you're trying to refund is higher than the total payments you've received on that day. Let's say you've received 1,000 rupees in payments today, but you need to refund 1,200 rupees. That refund will fail because you can't refund more than what you've received that day. You'll need to wait until your account balance is at least 1,200 rupees to complete the refund on that day. Once you initiate the refund, the amount will be credited to the customer based on the payment method used. For UPI, it takes 1 day and wallet or gift card takes 3 to 5 working days. Debit or credit card takes 5 to 7 working days. You can check the refund details in the Transactions tab by clicking on Refunds and selecting the refund. If you face any concerns, you can contact us by selecting the relevant refund. To do so, go to Transactions, then Refunds, then select the refund and click Need Help.